Another absolutely stunning Land Rover Defender 90, 3-litre diesel, 200 horsepower, SE, with beautiful specs, Santorini black, 4,400 miles on a 2021. It's got some key extras, this car. It's got a sliding panoramic sunroof. It's got the upgraded 20-inch wheels. It's got side steps, privacy glass, black badging, black detailing, mud flaps. So it looks really, really well. 64,990, priced on the market to sell, but a cool looking car because it's all been done in black. The wheels, like I touched on, they're in a dark anthracite colour. They're an option. You've then got the mud flaps, which extend them arches, the black side steps, privacy glass, the black badging on here where it says Defender's all been done in high gloss black. And with it being an SE, you get other extras. You get the Matrix LED headlights, full camera system, front and back parking sensors, full leather. It's got the extra camera, so it's got all the little extras that people want on a Defender because, you know, the key, aren't they? The panoramic sunroof is a massive one. It's all keyless, so it's keyless like that to lock it, and then keyless like that to open. And then with it being the SE, you get that extra luxury features, so you get Meridian sound system, we get memory seats, we get full heated electric leather. You get a nicer trim inside. If you see on the door cards there, you can see the high gloss finish around the door cards with the studs. We've got a sliding roof, which I'm going to show you, which just completely transforms the interior, and that is it's an expensive option. So when this car was ordered new, it's a £2,000 option, and it does make a massive difference, especially on a 90, because it's a shorter wheelbase car. So when you open that sunroof, it just brightens the whole car up, and it looks really good from the outside as well. Other features are standard cruise control, digital climate control. You've then got your touchscreen navigation and new system with the 3D cameras, which is fantastic. You've got a reversing camera and a surround camera. You've got a ClearSight camera there as well. So it's got all the bits, the better wheels, the pan roof, the extra camera, blacked, so it looks particularly lovely. And on the money, it's 64,990. It's a 2021. So you've got Land Rover assistance, Land Rover breakdown till 2024. And the penny has dropped with Defenders. The first come out, people were a little bit like that with them. It was a bit like Marmite, but now they are the #1 selling Land Rover on the market at the moment. The demand has gone through the roof. Where you're getting the best selection of them. Again, here's another prime example. You've got a full-size spare wheel there as well. The black badging there on the back, Defender's been done in gloss black. You still get on a 90, you still get boot space. Everything's untouched, hasn't been used. And then you've got the 3 big seats in the back. That's soft closing as well, soft closing tailgate. So that car is so desirable. It's going on the website now. We will sell it today. Be quick. My number's on the bottom of the screen. Just ring me direct, get it secured, and I can answer all your questions.